Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw BNB from Metamask to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding BNB in your Metamask wallet and want to move it over to Gemini for safer storage or trading, you're in the right place. This process is quick, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your crypto secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Metamask and Gemini set up. You'll need the Metamask extension or app installed on your device, and your wallet should be funded with some BNB. On the Gemini side, log into your account and navigate to the deposit section for BNB. Gemini supports BNB on the BNB Smart Chain, so select that network to get your unique deposit address. Copy it carefully because accuracy is key here. Now, open up Metamask. Select the wallet that holds your BNB, and ensure you're on the correct network, like BNB Smart Chain. If you're not, switch it in the network drop-down menu. Once that's sorted, hit the Send button. Paste the Gemini deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, and don't forget to check the transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Before you confirm, take a second to review everything. Wrong addresses can lead to permanent losses, so stay vigilant. Once you're good, hit Send, and Metamask will prompt you to confirm with your wallet password or biometrics. After that, sit tight. Transactions usually take a few minutes, but it depends on the network. You can track it on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. Once it's confirmed, head back to Gemini and refresh your account. Your BNB should show up shortly. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your BNB. This method is perfect for 2025's evolving crypto landscape, but always stay updated with the latest on both platforms. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.